Mate, I'm a baller.
Welcome to Seen Through Glass and welcome to Redline Specialist Cars. We are here because Tony is once again buying a new car. I feel like he's only ever on the channel when he's buying or selling or manoeuvring his cars. Tony, stop taking pictures of things. What are you doing here? Why are we here? What are you buying now?
Tell them?
Yeah, it's in the title of the video.
You put it in the title?
Of course.
I'm buying an AMG GTR.
What? Any reason why you're dressed like Justin Bieber today?
Because I'm going to the gym after, mate.
Mate, you haven't been to the gym for about 35 years, have you?
I don't know, I've swallowed a gym.
As always,
a gym ball.
The master, Tim from Magnitude, is here to take all of
He assists me.
Of course, he assists everyone.
Yeah, he does.
He's a genius. But he's dressed as someone should be dressed when they're buying a car, not like...
Mate, I'm a baller. Just pull the cover off, mate.
Right, here you go in.
What do you reckon?
Look at that.
Sick!
You got the keys and we'll pop it out for you.
That was the most low-key new car reveal I've ever filmed. Mate!
Mate, like, this is like so nice.
It's good that you bought a unique car.
Oh, no.
It's literally the same car.
It's got different wheels, mate. Shut your door, mate.
It's not shut?
Nope.
Shut now?
Yep.
It's big in here, isn't it?
It's
Mate,
big in
congratulations! Can you be excited, please?
I am
You are
excited.
too blasé
am.
about picking up a new car.
But I actually really like this, honestly. I'm not
I was
kidding.
hoping there was going to be like a whole fanfare and you're going to be like, oh my god! And it just, covers came off and it rolled out and I wasn't even ready.
It's a secret.
Well,
No
not
one
a secret
really
for
knows
us.
yet.
Though. We know.
We know.
Look at the yellow seatbelts. Do you know that?
Wait a minute.
What's it done now? You've broken something. It's like, oh, I didn't close the boot. That's my bad. God, these seats are nice. Why isn't he more excited? He buys too many cars. There's a button there, mate. Push the button. There you go. Buys too many cars. Oh, this is cool. I've forgotten how wide. You have to really slam these doors.
You've got to
right?
really shut the doors.
I have to say, even though a nearly identical car just pulled up and slightly ruined the moment, your car's nicer than that one.
Yeah.
I don't know why, it just is.
Yeah. Maybe you just because you're my mate and you're just being nice.
Maybe, yeah, man. Oh, you
Is there a
found the gear
sports
lever.
exhaust? Yep.
Get that. Oh, those valves just opened up. Right, now, what we need to talk about is why on earth you've ended up buying an AMG GTR, because for those people who might not have been watching the podcast Behind the Glass, what have you been doing with your lives? You may have missed this whole loving affair.
Yeah.
Because Tony and I have been talking about this car for a good 3 months now.
At least.
I think Shmee is to blame, let's be honest. I think Shmee is to blame.
He probably is.
He probably is,
Yeah,
because his adventures with his car and how much we've both been like, oh, that looks nice.
That does look good.
And now you've bought one.
Yeah. And do you know what? I think it fits perfectly in the garage. It's
Yes.
just going to complement the other two cars perfectly.
Well, that's the thing. You've now got three pretty... Do you want me to put a sat nav on?
I think it's this way, mate.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You've now got three pretty track-focused cars, but very, very different.
Yeah.
You've got the Performante,
Yeah.
you've got the GT3, and you've got this. So rear engine, mid-engined, and front engined.
RS soon to come.
Oh, I wasn't going to say anything. We just revealed it. I didn't want to say anything. Everyone knows, but
Everyone knows it's coming.
We've got the RS coming very soon.
Yeah.
So yeah, three very different but track-focused cars. But this is nice in here.
Yeah.
It's kind of comfy. These seats are lovely.
But I'm peaking early because after the GT3 RS, I've got nothing else coming.
So, mate, that's a pretty insane lineup of cars.
Yeah.
That is not bad. And to also tease some excitement, not only are we teasing the RS collection, but Tony and I do have an exciting plan shortly after that.
We're going somewhere.
Oh, Tony, don't say too much. Don't say too much. Ultimate supercar parking. You've taken up about 8 spaces, but I love it.
Yeah, but that's because no one drives into me.
You look comfy, mate.
Why swap in the gym wear?
Jump out, I want to look around the car. I haven't even done that yet.
I'm trying to.
You know what I love about the GTRs? Is the yellow R badge.
The R.
Especially as you've got the yellow stitching inside.
And the brakes, it sort of goes with the brakes.
They're sort of more goldy orangey though. Is that because it's carbon ceramics?
Ceramics, yeah.
Go on, what
The
else have we got
normal
here?
ones,
These are the wheels that I think are the best as
They're
well.
the best wheels, yeah.
The best freaking wheels. And they just look so mean. Is that a heat protector?
I believe.
No, but then what? Wait, where's the exhaust? What's that?
This is the exhaust, isn't it?
Yeah, so what are these?
They've got to be.
They can't be exhaust. What?
Can you imagine?
That is an exhaust. So what's
Start it
that?
up. That's an exhaust.
That-
That's hot.
But that's an exhaust.
6, got 4.
It looks, and this paint, mate, you're going to get this PPF'd.
Absolutely.
You need to get this PPF.
Yeah.
The paint is insane. Carbon here.
Do you know what I like?
Please.
This
whole.
That.
Oh, that haunch, the rear haunch. It's. So, were you looking for anything else? Is there anything? Because obviously you bought the car used.
Yeah.
How many miles on the clock?
400.
Oh my god. Okay, used.
Yeah.
Was there anything else you were looking for that you couldn't? You
What,
didn't
in
get on
terms
this
of
car?
spec?
Yeah, in terms of spec.
Maybe the only thing I'd have probably put on it, they do like an interior carbon.
Oh, okay.
This hasn't got that.
This
but
hasn't
apart
got
from
it.
That, it's like,
It's got a carbon roof though, right?
yeah, and mirrors.
Oh no, it's not carbon. Oh no, it is carbon. Sorry, it's raining.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
I
dude,
would have had
congrats.
this if I'd have had this colour new as well.
It's so cool.
So nice.
Right, let's get some food and then carry on our journey. Oh my god, what a miserable day to collect a car.
It is terrible.
I mean, it is terrible, but classic British weather. It's a bit hard to get the seatbelts in, do you find?
Oh, why are you moaning?
No, I'm not moaning.
You've had a nice day out.
Well, a lovely day out at the hospital. Oh mate. So what we didn't talk about, because we were getting overexcited and forgetting that we're supposed to be talking about it. No, you can turn it on. I thought you pushed it by mistake. I was like, you know how to turn this car on? We should move. It should be a dynamic video.
Press start.
Wow, practice that. You haven't been on the main channel for so long, you've forgotten how I film.
This year, I don't.
Yeah, but no, GT3 at the beginning of the year. That's what I said
That was
at the
last
start
year,
of this video. No, it wasn't. It was the beginning of this year.
Was it?
Yeah, the only time you're on my main channel is when you buy cars.
Yeah, it seems like it. Said I've been binned off to be on.
Used and abused. You've been binned off to the podcast channel.
Podcast channel.
But
which is more successful.
I would agree. What we were saying before we got distracted is you've got these 3 epic track-focused cars, but the reason you bought this is because
It's front engine.
well, yeah, no. You see this. Why are we so bad at this? You see this as the more usable car, right?
Yeah.
That's why you wanted it, because you wanted something which you could use, not day in, day out, but more than the others, because the Performante, the incoming
use that.
GT3 RS,
Yeah, can't use that.
too hardcore.
Yeah.
Whilst this is a bit more, because of its front engine GT characteristics, a bit more usable.
It's special,
Yeah.
yet understated.
I agree, and I think a colour has a part to play in that. I think the fact it's a Mercedes has a part to play in that. But it's not so shouty, not so in your face.
You could leave this on your drive without the fear of getting burgled.
I'd still burgle you if I saw it on your drive. But it's super nice, but it definitely represents a slightly different proposition in your current car lineup, which I totally get. That's what we forgot to say.
Which is exactly why I bought it.
Yeah.
Obviously, so like I said, just compliments.
But something very different for you. You're not a big front engine guy.
No.
Not a big Merc guy.
No.
So, good
but,
luck.
but you know, I have said that I've sort of liked Merc like recently.
Yes, well, we've been talking about it a lot. Again, not to just keep plugging the podcast, but we have been talking about it a lot on the podcast. Subscribe now, youtube.com/behind-the-glass. And we've been talking about the fact that Merc have been doing lots of good things, and this is kind of like the reason for our new love for AMG.
And Lewis Hamilton drives this car, mate.
Hello, there we go. That's a reason right there, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Huge thanks to Tony for letting me joining him on this very special day, which he was initially underwhelmed by, but now I think feels very excited by.
That's a mega car, mate.
It's a mega car. It's a mega car. Lots of things to come with this, but also lots more Tony to come on the channel over the coming weeks. We have the GT3 RS collection in literally, weeks. Weeks. It's very close. So make sure you're staying tuned. Subscribe now to See Through Glass. Subscribe now to Behind the Glass, and we will catch up with you very, very soon. Bye bye.